this. Okay guys, the moment of truth. iPhone XS. Really nervous about this, but I'm gonna hit record here. It's gonna be on slow-mo, just so I can maybe get some sort of video. And there you go. You guys can see. Here we go. In 3, 2, 1. Oh my goodness. Oh, that was crazy loud. I don't know where it landed, but we just located the phone, guys. This is actually on floor 9, and I want to show you guys the damage here just from the back. This was a brand new phone, and now look at the condition. Surprisingly, the camera looks normal, but man, I hope I can get that footage. So basically, the only thing I could do at this point is just tap the phone and it turns on. I can't